Dude, your smoke is done.
What?
Your smoke is done.
I didn't even know to smoke.
No, you don't.
Dude, I don't even know what it, I don't even remember smoking that smoke. I gotta smoke another smoke, dude.
We got a bike, man.
Dude, biking is way too crazy.
Yeah, but it'll be crazy fun.
Dude, you're gonna fall down and hurt yourself.
No, it's gotta be an experiment.
You want a bike?
Yeah.
You really want a bike?
Yeah.
Like, you can bike? Bike?
Let's go.
Like, dude, you wanna
It's
sit on a
so
bike?
Heavy?
My leg is heavy?
Yeah, man.
Dude, hold on, man.
What?
You want a bike?
Yeah.
Like, sit on a bicycle and fucking bike?
Yeah.
Dude, that's really crazy, man. Like, to bike on a bike right now would be so intense that, like, people would be like, dude, you're out of control, man.
Well, let's bike on a bike.
Hold on, man.